If you want to change the wallpaper on Redmi Note 15 Pro or 15 Pro Plus, what you can do is you can open settings. Next, in settings, we're gonna scroll down a little bit, and then you want to go to personalization. Now over here, the easiest way to actually change the wallpaper is to simply scroll down, and you should be able to find, for example, editors picked, or picks actually. We have the new section, so you can find a bunch of different new wallpapers from the themes app. We also have system wallpapers, and in these cases, you can also tap on more in order to find out more about them. You can also tap on find more in order to open the themes app with the wallpapers category selected. And then you can scroll down through this list in order to try to find a wallpaper that you might want to set up. You can of course tap on these categories in order to, or options in order to try to select something. Over here at the top, we have some other stuff like the categories again, competition apparently, new option, and so on and so forth, and also trending. So you can try to find your favorite wallpaper from here. And once you finally find a wallpaper that you wish to set up, so let's say I'm gonna choose this one. Of course, remember that you can also adjust the wallpaper. So you can zoom in and zoom out. The wallpaper is actually, it also tries to, the phone tries to have some layers, so then you can use the depth effect. In my case, unfortunately, it seems that it doesn't work. But in your case, if you actually have a different wallpaper, then it might be possible. You can move around with 1 or 2 fingers, and this might actually depend on the phone. You can of course zoom in and zoom out as well, so if you want to change that as well, you can do so. At the bottom, as you can see, we have some additional options, like for example, some wallpaper effects, and you can actually tap on the preview in order to switch to the home screen view, and then we can go to home screen effects, and for example, you can blur the wallpaper. Once you set everything up, we can press apply in the upper right corner, and you can choose to set the wallpaper for the lock screen or home screen or both. And in this case, let's say I'm gonna set it for both. You might also see the option to turn on wallpaper carousel, which changes the wallpaper every time you open the lock screen. I'm not a fan of that. I just prefer to have my own wallpaper, so I'm just gonna disagree. And there we go, the wallpaper has been finally changed. And that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.